A foam roller is a great tool to use for myofascial release, increasing flexibility, decreasing pain of different muscle groups. You can use it on almost any muscle group in your body. I'm just going to go over a couple of the ones that we use a lot. So to start, put it on the floor, and we'll start with their calves. So let's say I'm trying to get my left calf muscle here. One way to do it is to cross my right leg over, which will put a little more pressure through the left. And you're just going to lift your body up with your arms and kind of roll back and forth. To get more of the outside, more of the lateral part of your calf, you can kind of rotate out to target that area and back towards the middle, and even on the inside, the medial. You kind of roll all the way up towards your knee. Get the hamstrings. If you like to roll both at the same time, you can just kind of roll over like this to target more specific area and get a little deeper. I cross my right leg over to get my left hamstring and kind of just roll over that left hamstring. Again, you can roll over towards the lateral aspect and then the medial. To get IT band, it's a little more, usually more painful. I'm going to land my side. If you can tolerate it, you can just kind of roll with all your body weight here. A lot of people can't, so I'll cross that right leg in front again, put some weight through my foot to kind of lift up my body so I'm not putting full body weight on it. Kind of start all the way up near the hip, and then gradually work your way all the way down just above the knee. If you find a spot that's especially sore or tight, you can spend a couple extra seconds there. And then we'll roll on our stomach for the quad muscles. Again, if you do both, you can kind of just roll both legs out at once. To get a certain area, you can even cross our feet over again. And kind of just target that, either the lateral part or even rotating, getting more of the medial. To get piriformis or the glutes hip rotators, you're going to start by just sitting on your foam roller and then shifting more towards the side that you want to get and just rolling back and forth over those hip muscles. Another great way to use a foam roller is for stretching. So a common one is to stretch out your pec muscles, so kind of the fronts of your shoulders here. What you can do is lay so that the foam roll is parallel to your spine, like just going along right with your spine as you lay down. And your arms are just going to go up above shoulder height. And think about relaxing your shoulders and your arms down towards the floor, which should give you a nice stretch in that pec area. One other thing that I like to do is, this is a great mobilization for people who spend a lot of time sitting at desks or a lot of time kind of hunched forward. Because you can put this foam roller kind of anywhere in that mid-back area, whatever part of the spine you would like to target. So I'll kind of put mine in the mid-thoracic region. My hands go behind my head. If you can't get your hands behind your head, you can always cross them at your shoulders here. I'm just going to slowly lean back, getting some extension through my spine, and then come back up again. And here you can kind of, like I said, change the area that you're trying to mobilize by putting that foam roller up a little higher, or rolling down your mid-back a little bit more, and repeating it in different spots. Most of the rolling I like to do for 30 seconds to a minute at a time, taking breaks in between, and just doing as much as you can tolerate.